Now, last week they met at Tony Blair, but this week they've come to Devon to see the sea for the very first time in their lives. A choir of schoolchildren from a South African township have been brought to the UK by students from Exeter University. Richard Lawrence has been to see them at Woolacombe in North Devon.
Singing their hearts out at an impromptu concert. The children of the Medu Denny township near Newcastle. It's not only the first time they've sung on a beach, but the first time for all of them that they've even seen the sea. They're thoroughly enjoying every minute of it. And despite the inclement weather, they've fallen in love with the place.
It's so beautiful and I like it. I wanted to be in there. I think it's funny and it's beautiful. I think so funny.
Hoping to raise money for their schools, and wherever they go, they'll always raise a smile.
Top guys, and we'll have a little bit more from them a little bit later on.